On safari in Kenya, the focus is usually on the big game, but it's impossible to avoid the impressive bird fauna that lives there too. Sometimes it's easy to appreciate the two at once. The greater blue-eared starling hangs out on this white rhinoceros, both for the ride and to hunt insects that are scared up as the rhino shuffles along. Also, who's going to attack a rhino just to eat a couple of small birds? One of the dangers of this strategy is getting squished by a rhinoceros foot. This other species, the red-billed oxpecker, has a more complex relationship with the large mammals. Their main food are blood-sucking ticks that are parasites on these large beasts. Here, a mother oxpecker feeds a large tick to one of her young. This is a nice mutualism. The rhino gets its ticks removed, and the oxpecker gets a high-protein meal, kind of like the Maasai people that enjoy blood and meat. However, it's not a completely fair deal, since the oxpecker also feeds on wounds on the rhino's skin and drinks its blood directly. Rhinos also provide habitat for several species of flies, including the gyrostigma flies, which develop in their stomach. This is the largest fly species in Africa. Also to note, there are 24 species of ticks that live on the rhinos. So oxpeckers are probably a net benefit for the rhino and other grazing mammals of the African savanna. Other avian species are associated with these mammals too. The most famous is the cattle egret, seen here on the top of a black rhinoceros. Surely a herd of elephants scares up a lot of insects.